How to make chicken cream chop. Grab your thinly sliced breast, pound it, and then go ahead and mix up these ingredients to make your marinade. Fully mix it, and then grab your pounded chicken breast, and then add that to the marinade. You're going to then gently coat with the marinade. Cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Then in 3 separate plates, you're going to do your dry flour mix, your egg binder mix, as well as your breadcrumb coat mix. Grab your chicken from the fridge, and now the assembly line. We're going to go ahead and dip it in this order right here. So grab your marinated chicken, place it gently into the flour mixture, pat it on both sides with the mixture. You can do this numerous times until it's fully coated. This helps to create the great crust on your chicken breasts. Pat, pat, pat. And then next, you're going to go ahead and place it into the egg wash. And the same thing, you want to get a lovely coat on that. Normally you'd have a wet hand and a dry hand, but since I'm recording with the other hand, this will do. Once this is fully coated with the egg wash, you're going to go ahead and place it into the other mixture, which is your breadcrumb panko mix. And again, fully bread the outside of this. You can put a little bit of pressure on it so that you can ensure that the breadcrumbs don't fall off when you're frying it. Pat, pat, pat. Make sure it has that even coat on there. It should look nice like this. And place it on parchment paper. Repeat the process for all your chicken. Now fill up your cast iron skillet with some high heat oil. You can go ahead and use canola oil or vegetable oil to medium high heat. Cook each side 2 to 3 minutes each until golden brown. And you get this lovely crispy coating just like this. And then you set it aside on some paper towel. Repeat the process. Grab yourself some dipping sauce or make some of your own, some veggies, and you're good to go.